Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. I'm coming with that energy today, and today we're about to be doing a video on what? Yes, I'm about to be myself. I'm tired of being this little. Yes, so today we're gonna be doing a video on this hair. No, that's not me. I'm sorry, I've been fooling y'all the whole time. So let me go ahead and be my extra self. If you can't handle it, goodbye. As you can already see by the title, we are going to be doing a video on this hair. And be doing these Bantu knots on this hair. Now, I will let y'all know that I did Bantu knots before, but I did it with some weed. But I'm going to let y'all know what we need today. Secondly, for some moisturizer, because we don't want to just put this on dry hair, we need the Bantu knots to be of some assistance. We need this to be a moisture. Of course, the Eco again, Eco Crystal, and we need some water. So I'm going to just start across the front, because from what I'm seeing, everybody is doing theirs across the top. Now, when y'all part, make sure y'all doing it even. So if you part it from right here behind your ear, don't come right here in front of your ear. Do it behind your ear. I don't know why I'm trying to be informative. Like I'm not about to speed this part up or something. All right, now that I have my first section, I'm gonna go ahead and start the Bantu knot. So let's go ahead and part, and I'm doing square parts. I ain't doing nobody's triangle part. I don't have time to be trying to match up the triangles. Let's go ahead and loosen that up. And from what I was told, when you put in your leave-in conditioner, so as y'all see, I'm putting my leave-in conditioner. I'm not about to drench my hair, but the water activates the leave-in conditioner. When you spray it afterward, it smells a little funky. I was told the water is supposed to activate the leave-in conditioner. That smells. And I'm gonna, now this is not the super hold, like I said. I'm just putting it on my edges. All right, facts. So now let's go ahead and I'm gonna twist it. I guess you would say up, or you would twist it back and not forward. You're twisting it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist. I'm just gonna continue to twist. Now, be prepared. Your head is gonna be tight and your head might hurt. I'm gonna comb this out a little bit. Oh yeah, so a hair update. So I found out, remember in the last video, I was just like, what the heck? As y'all can see, like, what is going on, right? So I basically I did some research. I think I was looking up, can your curl pattern change or something? I think I was looking up something like that. Cannot really remember. But I was looking at something like that. And turns out, so again, I'm gonna try to get it in the middle, center it, and then I'm twisting back. Or should I twist this way? See, now I feel like I should twist this way, like forward. That's odd. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep winding my finger around. These look like they're gonna be super small, but at this point, hold on. I forget they have to go under, so. Y'all, my hair is super thick and I don't even know if it's long enough to do this. I thought it would have been long enough, but. I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna keep going. I forgot what I was saying, y'all. But I know I was telling y'all something. But I'm sorry, them just keep getting. Alright, which way you wanna go? You wanna go this way? Or you wanna go? This one this way. I don't know if my hair is just like extra thick or it's just like I don't have enough leverage to be bantuing, or if I need some more, if I need a little bit of weave up in that joint. I'm really struggling to get that thing. At this point, I got balls in my head. Girl, I'm not doing my hair like this. Y'all got me bent. Let me try to finish the front. Oh yeah, so my curl pattern. I found out, well, I didn't find out, but I put 2 and 2 together on basically why my curls they're basically not curling how they used to curl, or, you know. I'm going through currently that I'm being treated for something called Graves' disease. And it's basically something with my thyroid, because my daddy has thyroid issues or whatever. And so I have Graves' disease, and I don't know if you've seen in a couple of my other videos, like it's kind of small today, but I can definitely still feel, like, I can feel it right there. But anyways, it's this is, I guess this is where your thyroid gland is. See, you can't even see my thyroid gland. because this is kind of like in the way. So basically, I'm thinking this whole time like, oh, my hair didn't reset because when I got my hair cut, like he didn't cut it down all the way, so my hair didn't completely reset like my curl pattern. No, actually it turns out that it is because, you know, even if he didn't reset, like it should have still grown back. Like my curl pattern should have started to, you know, make its way back in. But I found out that the graves, basically when I looked up, can your curl pattern change? And it says your curl pattern can change as you age. Your curl pattern can change like when you go through puberty. Your curl pattern can change like when you, like basically change with your hormones. And basically my thyroid, your thyroid controls your hormones. Like everybody has thyroid, but it just depends like if yours is normal acting or if yours is hyper or if yours is hypo. So I guess the Graves' disease causes it to be hyperactive, and I have to basically get down to a normal level in order to stop taking the medicine. So that's what it's basically. My hormones are not acting as normal right now. So my curl pattern has changed because of my hormones. So I'm like just hoping and praying whenever I get off of this medicine or when I'm back to normal, I just hope that curl pattern can actually produce a coils all throughout my hair. right, y'all. So I'm almost done. I'm gonna let y'all see what I've done so far. That's one thing I don't really care about. But this is the back. And this is the side. Okay guys, so sorry my background is a little messy now because I'm packing, but gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's my first time doing my Bantu knots, but it's my first time doing my Bantu knots on my real hair with this hair that just grown out. First time I did it, it was with some weave. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. Hope y'all again like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I post. All right, I'm gonna go.